Read reviews that most people are talking of Smartwatch, Kospet fitness tracker with 1.3-inch full touch screen, GPS Android smartwatch with sleep monitor, heart rate monitor. Compatible with Android and iOS for men. You can find wanted smartwatch here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. The smartwatch features IP68 waterproof rating, which means that it can not only meet your daily waterproof demands. It will help you record your arm revolution and calories burned. 1.3-inch HD full round touchscreen smartwatch offers 5-level adjustable brightness. You can also edit different watch face on Wi-Fi app to attend different occasions. Use low power chipset and solve smartwatch with short battery life issue, brings you around 60 days battery life with all-day activity tracking. Your sport route will be tracked on Wi-Fi app by GPS, 10 professional sports modes, walking, running, cycling, climbing, yoga, basketball, football, badminton, skipping and so on. The activity trackers can accurately record your sports data and all day, such as pedometer, calories, speed, distance, active time. High-performance motion sensors monitor your heart rate and blood oxygen levels. It will record and analyze the data in the Wi-Fi app. You can view daily situation on your watch or app to help you develop a healthier lifestyle. The effective time for sleep monitoring is from 22 p.m. to 10 a.m. The sleep start time shown on the watch is the moment when you fall asleep. When there is an incoming call, a text message or other messages, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and more, in your smartphone, our fitness watch will vibrate to remind you. So you won't miss any calls or important information. It is compatible with Android 4.4 Plus and iOS 9.0 Plus with Bluetooth 4.2. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.